Hello, good afternoon. My name is Carlos Alberto Pineda. I'm from San Carlos de Guardameta. I'm 35 years old. I dedicate myself to managing an agricultural company. In my work, I have to be in the field. In addition, I also got some work contracts that I am always a little bus and spend most of my time in a city other than the one I live in. I'm happily married and I have two beautiful children. And my free time I practice sports such as cycling, soccer or basketball. With my friends, I also like to listen to music and go for a walk with my family. We usually go to the movies or to the drive. To my like more to go more to the drive because nature seems more beautiful to me. Well, this is a bit of my information. Have a great day. Do it later.